Hey everyone, so this is me Pooja Mahapatra and I guess this is the first video in this channel. But yeah, I also have another channel which is called Sojun. So this is my second channel and I literally created it for recording my journey in this BDS. And yes, I had given my NEET this year and then I chose BDS. I'm just gonna tell about the first day of my college. Okay, so basically the first day of college, of course. So this always has been a dream, like how the first day will happen, like how it will go for you. And yeah, many of us makes plan and then things happen in a different way. In my case, I was late for my college because my travel partner, he was in time basically, but the thing was I didn't know the place well, and then he was trying to find me, I was trying to find him, because I don't know how to go to my college via train. So that was my first time I was going by train to my college. Before that I went with the car, and we were like finding each other on phone, and I was like telling him like what are you wearing, and he was like a pant and a shirt. I told him like, why, like just tell me the color of it. I don't understand. I know that you were wearing a pant and a shirt. And then finally we met, and then we went to the college, but the class was already started, and then we entered, and it was like 15 minutes late, I think so. Yeah, 15 minutes late. So nothing much, but still we need to go with the COVID reports that we are negative, and then we are allowed to sit there. And there were like one bench difference. So the teacher, not the teacher, I think there are some other people also who are arranging the things for the first year BDS, and our seniors are actually having their exams, so we're not actually having the classes. This is like kind of an orientation, extended orientation. Before that we had the orientation program online, but I think this is the continuation of it, and we are basically trying to adapt what BDS actually consists. So it's kind of like an orientation, but also there are few things we literally need to know, because you know, online things are online, but when you are offline the things are totally different. You know things better, right? So after getting admission into the college has provided us a group where all the students were present, and then we had created our own group. So we basically knew each other from a very beginning, like from the last year. Okay, so we knew each other, but the thing is we didn't have met face to face. And then finally after the PCP class, which is preclinical prosthodontics, which we had in the first day of our college, after that we were like free to go to home, because that was just the beginning. And then we were there, we met each other, but due to the mask we could not recognize each other. That was the thing. But still some of the people we met, and then again we came home, and then we talked online, and that is the whole point. Things are getting too much online, but I think we are going to have the full-fledged course on the first week of February, because all the BDS colleges are connected to one of the MBBS college because of the anatomy and the physiology classes. So our college, which is GNI DSR, Guru Nanak Institute of Dental Science and Research, is connected to Tagore Datta Hospital, which is basically right now is a COVID hospital. I know the college is far from that, but still it's a COVID one. So the colleges are going to begin at like 1st February, I think, or 2nd February. So this is according to the government rule. I still don't know what is going to happen, but we are having our college. And today is the third day basically, but I'm not in college because there is another thing that happened which we didn't expect, because we all were friends and then we were separated like group A and group B. So in our college we have 100 seats, and then 50 students are in group A and 50 students are group B according to the alphabets. So since my name is Pooja, so I am in group B due to P, and all the students starting with A, so they are in group A. Many of my friends, like my two closest friends Ishita and Disha, are in group A, and I have other friends, like lots of the friends are in group B, but still there are a lot of friends like Bihag and a lot of friends of mine they are in the group A. So that is the thing, but yeah, we are still having our fun, but we are separated. When we have PCP, they have DA, that is dental anatomy, and things goes like that. But after all, we have to give the same exam only, but we are having different classes. So our college has a separate building for only students, like for teaching students, and the separate building like office building and where the MDA students are present. So that we didn't know from the early part, and that is the best part. Like we explored it after going to the college. That is what offline basically does. We just know what is happening, right? Then we were like suggested by the teachers to buy apron where the name will be there and the ear will be there, and also a stethoscope, which will be basically required for the physiology part, which we still don't have. And they have suggested to not buy right now any books, because the thing is there are different types of books, and it is better to not buy a lot of books. Like the different teachers suggest different books, and there are lots of writers, and it is better to buy something which is understandable to you, not like a very famous book written by a very famous writer but you don't understand anything. So that will be all in vain. So it's good to buy something after like the college has started. So that's our teacher suggested, and right now we all are having fun. Many of my friends are in hostels already.
মাস্কটা খুলে
একটু বল নামগুলো বল। হাই, আমি দিশা তরফদার।
হাই, আমি দিশা তরফদার। This is so weird. হাই, আমি ঈশিতা।
আমি পূজা। We are basically having fun right now, but I know since the college has started late, so there will be a lot of charp or pressure, and yes, so that was it. The first day was not like a dream, but it was good because everything was so uncertain, and that makes a thing better, right? If you know everything, it's not gonna be fun. If you are an explorer, you have to be not certain about things. Hey, Ishan, hi bol na ekটু।
হ্যালো,
তুইও বল ঈশিতা আবার।
এটা ইউটিউবে
Of course.
হাই
Hi Disha. So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for further more videos about BDS, and take care. Bye bye.